Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to properly shave or trim your chest using the Lawn Mower 3.0. I pretty much trim my chest at least once or twice a week, and I definitely have some tips and tricks to give you because I've found out a lot along the way. One, you definitely want to do this in front of the mirror because there is a section in your peripheral vision that you cannot see around your collarbone, and I've tried to trim in the shower and do this in the shower, and I've missed like a whole half circle of hair around my neck and collarbone. So you definitely want to do this in front of a mirror so you can see what you're doing, and you really want to pay attention to which way your hair grows on your chest. So my hair in the middle kind of grows downward, but then as you get more towards my shoulders, it starts to kind of go in different directions, up and side to side. So you really want to trim against the grain. And sometimes you're going to have to go over your chest once or twice in different directions just to get all of the hair because your hair will be growing in different directions. As far as some problem areas to look out for, I'd say the area by your Adam's apple on your neck and your collarbone is probably the only places that you might have some issues trimming or getting in there and getting a really close shave, but everything else should be pretty simple and straightforward. So if you guys aren't familiar with Manscaped, they have been pretty much one of the leaders in the pack when it comes to grooming your downstairs business with their Lawn Mower 3.0 with the replaceable blades and the ergonomic design. They put more power into it, it has a longer battery life, and there is a flashlight on there so you can see all of the nooks and crannies that you need to get to. I would 100% recommend the Lawn Mower 3.0 to you guys. So that pretty much wraps up the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to Manscaped. Give them a look and check it out.